Cooking verbs with sentences. Melt. मतलब पिघलना. The ice cream is melting. Peel. मतलब छिलना. Please peel a potato for cooking. Pinch. मतलब चुटकी. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. मतलब छानना. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. मतलब तोड़ना. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. मतलब गूंथना. I knead the dough for the bread. Roll out. मतलब बेलना. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. मतलब फैलाना. Please spread some chocolate on this slice of bread. Fry. मतलब तलना. She is frying a fish for dinner. Mix. मतलब मिलाना. Mix the flour and water to make a smooth batter. Mash. मतलब कुचलना. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. मतलब काटना. Chop the vegetables finely for the salad. Squeeze. मतलब निचोड़ना. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Slice. मतलब टुकड़ा. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grate. मतलब कद्दूकस करना. Grate the cheese over the pizza. Sauté. मतलब भूनना. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Boil. मतलब उबालना. Boil the noodles until it becomes soft. Steam मतलब भाप में पकाना. Steam the broccoli for a healthy side dish. Grill मतलब grill करना. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast मतलब सेकना. Roast the chicken in the oven until it's golden brown. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.